So you want to send your document through email, but you're not sure how to attach it. Don't worry. Take a breath. I'm here to walk you through it step by step. We'll get through this together. If you're an author and you've just finished your manuscript or even just a chapter, you may want to send it to your editor, a friend, or even yourself for safekeeping. But if the idea of attaching files to an email makes your palm sweat, I've got you. Whether you're using Gmail or Outlook or another service, this process is easier than you think. Let's start with Gmail since that's one of the most common ones. First, go to gmail.com in your internet browser. Log in with your email and password just like you normally do. Now look in the top left corner and click on the Compose button. That opens up a new email window. Now in the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send your document to. Then move down to the subject line and type something like Chapter 1 or My Manuscript. Now comes the fun part, attaching your document. Look at the bottom of the email window. You'll see a little paperclip icon. That's the Attach button. Click it. A window will pop up showing the files on your computer. If you know where your document is saved, go ahead and click on it. It might be in your desktop, in Documents, or in Downloads, wherever you saved it. Once you find it, click on the file and then click Open or Choose. You'll see it start to load at the bottom of your email. Once the attachment is fully uploaded, you're good to go. Now just type a quick message in the body of the email, something like, "Here's the latest version of my book. Let me know what you think," and hit send. Done. Now let's quickly look at Outlook, just in case you use that instead. Go to www.outlook.com and log in. Click New Mail or New Message. Same idea as Compose. Type in the recipient's email, a subject line, and your message. Then look for the paperclip icon. Sometimes it says Attach right next to it. Click that, then choose Browse this computer. Just like before, find your file, click it, then click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. You'll see it appear in the email, then hit send, and that's it. You may want to upload a large file using the Share File link your project manager sent you, Google Drive or Dropbox. Here are a couple quick tips. Make sure the file name is clear, like Smith_novel_chapter1. Double check that you're attaching the right version before you send. And if the file is really large, like over 25 megabytes, you might want to upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox and share the link instead. But for most everyday documents, attaching it directly works just fine. And that's it. You just learned how to attach and send a document by email, whether you're sending your first draft or your final manuscript. Now you know how to get it where it needs to go. You did it, see? That wasn't so bad. You're one step closer to becoming the confident, published author you're meant to be. Keep going and happy writing.